Hi friends, once again you are welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. Today's topic is the report writing. Already I taught this video earlier, but some changes already. Just I'm making right now some changes, and by that obviously everything will be clear to you. First, try to understand what mean by report writing. Report writing means you read the newspaper. In that one articles are there about the incident. Means what happened earlier. So that is the report is here. Here what I'm saying this topic we are teaching here especially for the students of school and colleges. Here method means whatever you are reading in the newspaper, that criteria is there, but here some differences will be there which I am showing to you. Now see, first try to understand what mean by a report. Report means report writing is a form of composition in which we report an incident that has taken place. Means that incident which already have taken place. A report must find out the answer of some important questions. Who, when, what, how, why, etc. Means the report have to find out, okay, what happened and how happened, when happened, why happened, who was there. All these answers should be in the report writing. Now see, report which we teach in the school and college, which is very important for the students, that is of two types. One is the school magazine or the journal report. Second is the newspaper report. School magazine report, what do we write? And newspaper report, what do we write? That I am giving in the next clip. See. First, magazine or journal report. Report of events like the annual day. In school, college, we celebrate annual day, sports day, or any other function is there. So we can write report about that. Second thing is here is the newspaper report. Newspaper report is especially about the events outside, accidents, calamities, sports. Means any incident outside school or college, or any accident case is there, and about any calamities or the natural or the man-made sports events or that type any other thing also, all these things are included in the newspaper report. Now see, whenever we are writing, it is very important that we must try to understand the rules of that one, how we have to write. First thing, that headline should be short and catchy. First try to understand, in the school report headline will not be given, you have to frame. A newspaper report headline will be there. Headline should be short and catchy. And where to write that I'll explain in the next format, and the layout is there. Second, the byline. In byline, we write about the place from where you are reporting, date and source of the news. Here the date and the place, that will be similar in both types, but source of the news it differs. I'll clarify in the layout. Place means from where you are reporting, and sometimes students might confuse regarding the place. Whatever you are writing about anything that happened where, that is the place for the report. But like something happened in New Delhi, we are giving report from Mumbai. So here I am reporting from Mumbai, so the place Mumbai will come, and within the report New Delhi will write. Next, only essential facts should be included. I said it is not a essay writing. You have to write only the important facts. It's like composition, but here we have to write in brief. It should not be more than 3 to 4 paragraphs. For the students, it's very important that they have to think about the content. 3 or 4 paragraphs are enough for them. It should be in the past tense, very important. Past tense means already that incident happened earlier. Mostly in with passive voice sentences. Passive voice sentences are preferred especially in the report writing. And by that it, of course, it looks better. Next, third person pronoun, he, she, it, they use more. We use all these pronouns more. First person pronoun, I, should be avoided. We should never use the I, like I was doing, I was going. It's not a story writing. So here better we have to use the third person pronoun. And personal opinion is avoided in the report. In report, whatever the fact I saw, whatever fact we saw, only that thing we have to write. No need to write the personal opinion, that is my opinion or what might happen. No, whatever fact you are seeing, you have to write that. Next, last point is a report should be brief. I said earlier it should be brief. It should not be like an essay writing. 3 or 4 paragraphs are enough for that. Now see, very important part of the layout of a report. Whenever you are writing a report, first thing, see, the headline is their first box. Headline should be neither on the left side or the right side, you center. Suppose headline is bigger, what will you do? You have to continue in the same order in the next line, but don't touch on the right or left side, center. And general report headline you have to frame. Newspaper report headline will be given. And some students prefer to write in the capital letter. That is also a style of writing. And below to that, leave 2-3 lines after headline, leave 2-3 lines, and left side touching the margin, right place. From here you are reporting. I said earlier, because I am reporting from Mumbai. So I have to write Mumbai, then put comma, then write today's date. So on which date you are writing the report, that date write down after the place. Next line, write the source of the news. If the general report is there, write by student reporter. And if you are writing the newspaper report, you have to write the by staff reporter. But one thing very important, by staff reporter, by B staff, S reporter R. All starting letters should be capital. And after that you have to like the later writing 3 parts are there, same report also. It is the body of the report, and you write first para introduction, introductory paragraph. I said earlier, report must find out when happened, what happened. So where happened, first write first para, where you are writing report about which place, where this incident happened. Second paragraph, you write the details of that one. Give some information about the short continuing paragraph. And last paragraph, you write concluding, but last part which you are writing. And in my next video, I will show you, I will give the 2 best examples with answer questions, with answer everything. And one will be the school report, and second school or journal magazine report, and second will be the newspaper report, and everything will be clear to you. And I said earlier that already on my previous video is there about the report writing, but this one is updated. And wait for the part 2 where I'll give you the examples of both school magazine or journal report, or second the newspaper report.